We're here checking out a brand new item from Wacom. It's not a brand new, but it's a brand new model. This is the Wacom 13.3 Wacom One. We've covered the Wacom One before, but this is a major upgrade for the device. One, it comes with touch, which wasn't a feature with the prior one, and it comes with one cable. Let's open this up and I'll show you what comes inside. First and foremost, I love the packaging. It is so much cooler. The like recycled paper with, I believe it's on the front here. What is it? Printed with soy ink. So that way all of it is recyclable without needing to basically worry about whether or not you should put it in one box versus the other. It's all recyclable. That's awesome. Okay. Ta-da. There's a little guide here. Nice. So here is the tablet. It looks exactly identical in the size. Very smooth. Beautiful. You've got your buttons for control, your distance and lock power, your two plugins for power and connection. And then here we have our actual stylus. Again, the stylus works great and fits right inside this little sleeve, so you can keep that on the top of it. Really nice. Pop this up here. We've got our guides and manuals. Inside these little pouches here, I believe we have nibs. Yeah. We've got replacement nibs for the pen. Of course, the standard clip to pull them out. Actually giving us 2 pouches of nibs, which is nice. Then we have the cords. And then I believe one last item in here, which is the power cord. That is the end of that. So this piece goes on here, clips in place. And then that is your wall power. One USB goes to power to USB-C to the device, and one USB 1 cord goes USB-C to USB-C for your new computer. That's awesome. That's really cool. That allows you to connect the device to your computer with just one cord. No HDMI, no USB, just one form of pass-through that sends data and picks up data. That is amazing. That's exactly what you want. Now, on top of that, though, Wacom did send us a little bit extra. They sent us their new stand. So let's open this up. This comes the Wacom One stand. This is a separate item. But as you can see here, there's nothing that pops out on here. The prior model had those little feet that pop out, but those don't exist on there anymore. So now we have these stands. We got it's just standard picture with a simplified guide. And then a manual. Got 2 stand feet. They're incredibly low profile, traditionally for use. You can store them away. And they pop out like that. That's crazy. And then you take these and you would just rest it on them. That's funny. All right. So you just rest those on those little feet there. And then the rubber nubs are perfectly designed to also work. And then, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Very little movement. Like, I really have to be like trying to mess with it to move that around. That's cool. And then, of course, when all is said and done, pop those back flat, throw them in your laptop bag with this, and very low profile. Very low profile. Awesome. I'm going to take this and plug this in to show you how it works. Before I do that, I do want to say there's something really cool that comes with the new model of Wacom that I want to talk about. Every Wacom One and Wacom Buy One now comes with a bonus pack of free training software that will help you be able to learn how to use your Wacom. This has been like the biggest thing. Unless you know how to use a drawing tablet, sometimes jumping into a drawing tablet can be very, very difficult. Wacom is not going to let you be lost anymore. Like say right here, there's a little QR code and everything. It's all about getting you ready specifically to use your Wacom, which is really nice. I love the fact that they're putting tech out there specifically to help you get yourself going on it, and you're not just buying something like in a void and hoping to basically take care of yourself. So let's take this, let's actually set this up, show you what it looks like in use, and we'll be right back. Before we go, I do want to talk a little bit more about the software. The way you get it is you go to start.wacom, and on the very back of the device, I won't show right here, there's a QR code on there. And what you do is you scan that QR code once you go to the start.wacom.com, and it will give you all the software and the training to get yourself started right into the art of learning how to use this device, and that's really cool. Well, hopefully you guys pick up one of these for yourself, and we will see you guys next time.